Hey guys! Today I'm back with a new recipe and that is chocolate chip pecan cookies. These are soft, chewy and easy to make. They're like the classic chocolate chip cookies of your childhood but packed with pecans and a buttery flavor, crispy edges and soft middle. Basically they are perfect when you want a cozy twist on a classic cookie. I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and run your own successful business. And before I begin the recipe, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and have clicked the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our new recipes. So what are we waiting for? Let's make the cookie. For that, we'll chop our star ingredients, that is pecans. If you do not have pecans at your home, then you can definitely use any nuts that you want. We are done with the pecans. Now let's proceed to the creaming process for making the cookie dough. For that, we'll take soft room temperature butter. In this, we'll add both the sugars, that is castor sugar and brown sugar. We will cream them until we get pale and fluffy mixture. As you can see, I'm creaming with a silicone spatula as I prefer to do it with hand, but you can definitely use a hand beater or even a stand mixer. We've got the texture that we needed for the cookie dough. Now in this, we'll add egg and vanilla essence, then mix again to form a smooth mixture. Make sure that you always use room temperature ingredients. Since we achieved the smooth texture, now we'll sieve in the dry ingredients starting with all-purpose flour. Followed by baking powder and salt. Combine them properly. As you can see, our dough is a bit hard to handle with a spatula, so I'll be using my hands. For hygiene purpose, I'll be wearing a glove. We'll now add chocolate chips and chopped pecans into the dough and mix them to get a smooth cookie dough. Now we'll divide the dough into balls weighing 80 grams each. Place them in a baking tray lined with silicone mat. Lastly, we'll place some chocolate chips and chopped pecans on top as well. Now we will keep them in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. Our cookies are out of the freezer. Now we'll bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Our cookies are baked properly and has cooled down completely. They are ready to be served. I really hope you guys like this recipe and try it out at home. Do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.